What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be the track video where we're taking the car to the track. We're finally going to hit our 11-second run, but I just wanted to show you guys the load up process because the car is so low. The truck looks freaking awesome. The car is so low that the bumper is hitting the ramp. So this is the struggles I go through, and you guys are telling me to lower the car even more. So yeah, man, I'm not gonna waste any of y'all's time. I want this video to be, kind of fast paced and show you guys when we get to the track. So yeah, man, I'm gonna try to load this car up real quick and then I'll show you guys. I think we can use these though for the tires to go on. Alright, boys, she's all loaded up. It was a struggle, but me and my boy X got it. Shout out him. Always coming through. The car looks freaking awesome on the trailer with the truck, man. This is awesome just to see. But we're gonna see how this 3.5 tows. I've heard some good things about it, but honestly I don't really have that much faith right now. But we're gonna see what happens. We had to use these blocks so this part of the bumper could clear. This thing is so freaking low, and it's not actually really that low, but yeah, man, we're gonna stop, put some gas, and we'll be on the road. We'll see you guys at Alamo City Motorplex. All right, boys, so a little update on the truck. We're going about 80 miles an hour, averaging about 10.8, 10 miles per gallon. Got the car behind us. It's pulling pretty good. I haven't pulled a lot of things with this truck. The only thing I really have pulled with this truck is like a set of jet skis, which weigh nothing. This is the truck's biggest challenge that it has done, but it's pulling good. It's driving smooth, smooth ride. So far I'm satisfied with it. I'd probably stick with it if it's doing good. We'll see how it does over there and then on the way back. But yeah, it's pulling it pretty good. Yeah, man, we're just gonna keep on going. I cannot wait to get there. We're gonna get there at perfect timing. It says to get there around 7 o'clock for the test and tune, and the GPS says we're gonna get there at like 6:45, so it's gonna be perfect. Can't wait, man, to get this first pass in. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's go. All right, boys, we made it here. Just got my tech card. We're all out here. You guys remember Josh, CTSV? We're all out here. Boy Mondo, got boy Eggs. You got my brother too. He came out here. He's gonna try to race us in S550, fully E85. Yeah, man, I cannot wait. The racing just got started, man. We're gonna try to get this car off the trailer and make our first pass, man. I'm super excited. Let's run it. Hell yeah, dog. We about to make this 11-second pass. Alright, boys, so we had a little dilemma. They weren't letting us pass tech inspection because the last time, I didn't know, but the last time we have to have it covered. There has to be some sort of trunk covering, so just in case the nitrous, the blow off comes off, the nitrous won't go into the cabin. So we're good to go, man. We passed tech inspection. We're about to make our 150 shot hit. Finally, man, finally. We're gonna air down our tires to about like 15 PSI. Go get in line, man, warm up this bottle, and I cannot wait, man. Cannot freaking wait. Let's get it.
1702. Something happened, I think.
I broke something, guys. I think I broke something. It's coming out of gear by itself. Guys, it's stuck in gear. It's stuck in gear. God damn. Guys, we broke it. Guys, I broke it. Oh my god. That shit launched very hard, but that was a 960 foot. Man, I can't believe we waited this whole time, came all the way over here, and we broke it, bro. It won't go into gear. And I'm like shifting third and fourth. Third and fourth is going in by itself.
Alright, I finally got back to Chris. He said he broke his strings. At least that's what he thinks he broke. I don't think he has a second gear.
First, the second, and then I fucking tried to shift it in the third real hard, and then it just like fucking broke something. I couldn't hear it, bro. My shit's loud as hell. But look, I'm in second gear right now. Look, I'm letting the clutch out. It's like the e-brakes up. It won't go. Oh, it only works in third gear. Look, it only works in third gear. Fourth gear, I think, too. Yeah, fourth gear. Fifth gear works too, but my reverse doesn't work. Dude, I bogged hard. I launched at 5,000, bro. I had a badass burnout. Launched it, whop! Taking off hauling ass, bro. I felt it coming on hard. God damn.
Time for a power glide.
How many passes do you do?
One. Alright, boy. It's unfortunate, but how did the launch look? Was the burnout good? Yeah, so I launched, man, and it bogged. I launched at 5,000 and it still bogged. I took off in first gear. I felt the nitrous come on crazy. It felt crazy. It felt like it was gonna be the fastest pass it did. From first, shifted in second, let out. I can't remember, guys. I think I let out the clutch when I shifted into third, but when I shifted into third, it felt like the transmission was already broke. When I shifted it, it didn't feel notchy at all, bro. It literally just felt like it like fell forward by itself. Like, look, try to feel it. You see that? You see how it just feels like there's nothing there? Like, stick the clutch in, but don't let it out because it's like stuck in gear right now. So look, put the clutch in, turn the car on, leave the clutch in though. Like, let out the clutch a little bit, you'll feel that it's in gear. It's out of gear? Oh, yeah, it's fucked. Guys, we got one run and we blew it, but you know, how the f did I break it?
I guess I can take this off.
Well, guys, as you guys can tell, the car's transmission finally let go. You guys are probably thinking I'm a freaking madman in this video because I'm just laughing the whole time while my car exploded, but you know, it's a part of the game. You know, I couldn't really be mad. The only thing I was kind of upset about was, you know, I didn't even get a couple pass in. You know, I just got one pass. I only got one pass in, and you know, just the preparation of the car. You know, I did a lot of things to get the car ready. You know, I got the trailer, got my buddies all. You know, we all went together. You know, they had a good time. You know, that's all that matters. Loaded the car up. You know, drove all the way over there. It was supposed to rain, you know, so we waited a long time. The rain finally passed, so we got in line. You know, I was super excited. you know, just for the car to brake. But you know, that pass, that car was pulling super hard, man. Like, it was pulling pretty good. Like that, even with the 1960 foot, that car might have made the 11-second pass. That car was cooking down the track. But yeah, man, as you guys can tell from that video, first, second felt good, and then like I said, when I shifted it into third, it felt like I missed it. But like, I put it in there and I let the clutch out and I acted like I was in gear, and then it just redlined. So I was like, okay, what happened? I was trying to shift it in, you know, that's what I was doing in the video. And basically it's like stuck in high gear now. So it's only stuck in third. I mean, it's stuck in a gear. Like physically, if the shifter's in neutral, you let the clutch out to try to roll forward or whatever, and it'll roll forward even though the shifter's in neutral. And you can't let the clutch out the whole time when the car's on, or else it'll stall. It's stuck in gear. So first, second, reverse doesn't work. So basically, man, I'm just kind of stuck now. I was trying to, you know, look for a transmission. You know, I thought about putting a TR3650 in it, but that's kind of out of the equation now, because, you know, the 96 through 98 cars have a mechanical speedo gear that goes in the transmission that sends the signal to the speedometer, and the new 3650s come with electrical gear. You know, basically I'm gonna be stuck with the dead speedometer, which I'm not really trying to have, man. Like I told you guys before, this car is not gonna just be a track car. It's still gonna be like a street car, you know. So I want, you know, more of the OEM, you know, type feel. I know a lot of you guys are gonna tell me about the speed cow and all this stuff, but there's a lot of them that are discontinued. So I'm trying to look into building the T45 and seeing what I can do there. A lot of people are telling me I broke the shift forks, and I haven't took the transmission out today. Actually, I got it on jack stands. I pulled the drive shaft, pulled the exhaust, drained the transmission, pulled the shifter off. You know, basically it's ready to be removed. Yeah, I can't find jack stands to get it high enough on the ground to be able to pull the transmission. So I'm probably gonna end up paying a buddy of mine to do it. You know, he's only charging me $300 to remove the transmission and put it back in. So it's not too much, but yeah, I was gonna try to do it myself, but it's just a hassle. You know, I wish I had my own lift, and you know, I don't. So yeah, man, I think we're gonna try to build the T45. If you guys have any other suggestions, I posted this on Facebook, and tons of guys are telling me to do a T56, and I'm not spending $4 grand on a T56, man. I'm not doing it, man. I'm just tired of dumping, you know, a lot of money into this car. I'm probably gonna do a rebuild on the T45 and, you know, do some upgrades, you know, to the shift forks, and, you know, just make it a little bit stronger. I was already thinking about just throwing a used T45 in, you know, just sending it back to a daily driver. But I know you guys want to see this car do 11, so we're gonna do it, man. I'm gonna throw a T45 in it, you know, beef it up a little bit, and you know, I'm gonna send it. We're gonna make this 11-second pass, whether it breaks again or not, man. We're gonna do it. Yeah, man. If you guys have any other suggestions, you know, what I should do with the transmission, a cheaper route, what do you guys want to see? You know, just let me know. I want to let you guys know ahead of time right now that funds are running low, so I'm not gonna be able to, you know, just build the transmission right away. I'm just, you know, not a point in time right now where I can't just dump a lot of money into the car, and I don't have the money to do it, to be honest. So I've never asked for this type of thing, and I'm not asking right now. I'm just kind of telling you guys, if you guys feel generous enough, you know, in your heart, there's a PayPal link down below, and there's a Cashapp link down below. You know, feel free to give whatever you guys want. If you guys want to, I'm not asking you. If you guys want to do it, I'm just letting you guys know it's down there. I've had you guys ask before, so that is down there. I'm just letting you guys know. I work for all my stuff. I work for all my money, and you know, I do this YouTube stuff for you guys. I would still be doing this racing stuff if I didn't do YouTube, but I'm just letting you guys know, man. If there's not no videos, you guys know I'm stacking my cash. And you know, I'm getting ready to come back to the track. So we're gonna do a video on seeing what the damage is to the transmission, what's going on, and what's moving forward. So, but after that, you know, it might be a while until I get the built transmission, until I get it put in, and until we head back to the track. So I don't know if I messed up my clutch or not, man, because when I put it back on the trailer, as you guys know, it's stuck in high gear, like I said. I had some buddies of mine pushing it, so I had it in third gear, and I was babying it up the trailer a little bit, and my clutch started smoking. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to replace the clutch too. So like I said, man, the car might be down for a little bit, and the videos might be on hold for a little while until, you know, I get my cash up enough, you know, to just be able to throw $1 grand or, you know, a couple $100s at a rebuild in the transmission. So, you know, I appreciate all you guys, you know, watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was some kind of entertainment for you guys. Yeah, if you guys can, you know, just watch the other videos. Don't skip the ads, you know, your boy needs it. If you guys watch it to the end, you know, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching so much, man. It's your boy 4.6Chris. We're gonna keep on trying, man, with this car, and yeah, I'll let you guys know. Like I said, if you guys feel generous enough, Cash App link and PayPal link is down below. If you guys want to help me, you know, get this thing back on the road faster. So yeah, love you guys. I love you guys who love me. It's your boy 4.6Chris. We're out, man. Peace.